Suvidha online permission portal. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guidelines, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to explain Suvidha portal, understand the various types of permissions which are required at the time of election. They will be able to know various types of formats, declaration, NOCs which are required for getting the permissions. They will also be able to fill the online permission forms. It is a single window system for giving election related permissions clearance within the 48 hours. The URL of Suvidha portal is shown on the screen. Candidates, agents, political parties and others can apply for permissions online for meetings, rallies, vehicles, temporary election offices, loudspeakers, landing of helicopters or aircraft, for rostrum, barricading, etc. during election. Thereafter, they will receive the permission approval status and order copy on the Suvidha web portal as well as on the candidate app. Now we will understand how to fill the online application form through Suvidha. First, you have to select the language. If we are going for parliamentary election, then you have to select PC election. Otherwise, you have to select AC election. Then you will select the month of the election. Enter a mobile number, then enter the CAPTCHA and then press the submit button. After pressing the submit button, just write the mobile number for getting the OTP. Enter the OTP. Press the verify OTP button. Now select the applicant type. After selecting the applicant type, you will get this window. Press the next button. Now you will get this window. Again, press the get started button. Now this window will appear on your screen. The applicant type will be pre-filled. Then select the political party name. If you are independent, then select the independent. Write your name, father's name, your email. Your mobile number will be pre-filled. Gender, date of birth, your address, your state, district, assembly constituency for which you need permission. Then press the submit button. Now you will get this dashboard. Now we have to fill a new application form. So for filling the new application form, press on the menu button. This pop-up window will open. Here, press apply permission button. Now you will select which type of permission you want. If you want application for the helicopter or helipad, then select it. Download the documents, fill them and upload them. You can get the permission for temporary party office. Download different documents, fill them and upload them. You can also get permission for video game. Download the necessary documents, fill them and upload them. You can get permission for holding the meeting. Download the forms, fill them, upload them. You can apply for street corner meeting. Download the documents, fill them and upload them. Similarly, you can get permission for the rally. Download the forms, fill them and upload them. For vehicle permit, download the forms, fill them and upload them. For construction of rostrum and barricading, again you have to download the forms, fill them and upload them. Vehicle permission for star campaigner, download the necessary forms, fill them and upload them. Vehicle permission within these, download the form, fill them and upload them. After filling the necessary application form, you have to submit it, and after submitting the form, you will generate a receipt. If you want to take out the printout of the receipt, then press on the print button. Now on the dashboard, you can see we have applied for the one permission and its status is pending. So whether you have applied for the permission, it is accepted, rejected, pending or cancelled, whatever the case may be, you can get all those information on the dashboard. In this educational video, we have learned about online permission portal, that is Suvidha. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.